Good morning, guys. I'm gonna be sharing what I'm eating today with you guys. I've had a lot of requests since I've been sharing that I lost weight. And so people are curious, what are you eating to maintain your weight loss? And what were you eating while you were losing weight? My diet hasn't changed a ton. I think I probably changed the amounts that I was eating, and I just began to crave less as I was losing weight. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be sharing what I'm eating today. And the first thing that I start off with is water. Now, I'm not gonna drink this whole thing of water. I usually drink about 16 ounces of water, and I'll keep this bottle right next to my bed, and I'll just drink it right away when I wake up before I take any of my supplements or anything, just so I can let that kind of go down. And then I think the first thing that I'm gonna be eating today is actually gonna be drinking. I'm gonna have celery juice. And I don't typically have juice every day, but I have been kind of putting the intention that I want to do that soon, to make juice more regularly. So I'm gonna try and do it probably like 2 to 3 times a week, just have a juice in the morning. And I usually don't eat before, I would say 11 a.m. So my first meal can be happening anywhere from 11 to sometimes even as late as 1 p.m. depending on what I'm doing. But 11 is really ideal, because if you push it too late, then you're kind of like getting crazy hungry. So let's drink water and let's drink some celery juice. If you guys have never tried celery juice, it's definitely pretty strong, but it has amazing benefits. Obviously, there's tons of minerals in there, which is really good for you. Green juice, regular green juice is amazing as well. But celery juice has an extra benefit because during that day that you drink the celery juice, it's going to improve your digestion. And then if you drink it over time, it's also going to long-term increase your hydrochloric acid in your stomach, which is going to help break down the rest of your food better. So it's just an all-around really amazing health juice. The next meal that I'm going to be eating is sort of a late breakfast, early lunch meal. And it's going to be apple and pomegranate. I'm just going to make a little fruit salad. And I don't want to hear anybody complaining, because these are fruits that you guys can eat too. They're in season on the mainland right now too. And it's kind of a treat for me to have apple and pomegranate, because pomegranates do grow here, but they're just not very abundant. And I think apples might be able to grow here at some elevations as well, but they're also just not very abundant. So this is Fuji apple, my favorite. If you don't know how to open a pomegranate, you can watch me do it and get some tips. There's a lot of videos on YouTube. And you really want it to be like a nice red color. You want it to be really heavy feeling, because then you know that there are nice juicy pieces in there. It's not gonna be all dry. So let's chop these up and make a little fruit salad. So it's time for me to eat again. Yay! And what I'm going to be having is a smoothie. So since it's not mango season, that's the summer for us, is when mangoes are in. I have some organic frozen mango, which is from Costco. Don't hate. And so I'm just going to have that be the base of my smoothie. I'm actually going to throw one frozen banana in, which is a local banana, apple banana favorite variety, and a little chunk of fresh ginger, and probably about a teaspoon, maybe 2 if I'm feeling really brave, of the Daily Green Boost, which is just barley grass juice powder. It's a really awesome product, has a lot of minerals in it, and when I eat a lot of this, I feel like I crave less greens, so it really does satisfy. And if you're not someone who loves to eat big salads, this is a great way to get your greens in, but definitely start small and work your way up because it has a strong taste. All right, who is hungry for dinner? Me. If you guys can hear that sound in the background, it is the coqui frogs. They are an invasive little adorable frog from Puerto Rico, and they make a bird-like sound, which makes me fall asleep. So what I'm going to be making is basically a simple salad for dinner, and I'm going to put some steamed pumpkin and some green peas on top. I have this pumpkin left over from a retreat that we just did last week, and these avocados are from the property of the place that we did the retreat on, and my friend Michael picked them, so I'm excited to eat them. And then I just have some lettuce that is hydroponic from Maui, some local tomatoes, local sprouts, local cucumbers. Basically everything here is local except for my peas, so that's pretty cool. All right, so let's just start steaming this stuff, and I'm really hungry. Okay guys, I hope that video was helpful for you to see what I was eating today. I know a lot of you guys are in the process of trying to lose weight, so hopefully you can see an idea of some different healthy things that you can try out. So for the last thing that I'm gonna eat, it's not that pretty actually, but it's a date with a little bit of peanut butter on it, and this is gonna be my dessert. Yum. Okay guys, subscribe, click like, request more videos down below, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.